So, our project builder. It's time to discuss one of the key features of NewComma. This is where creators on NewComma are able to create projects that allow them to build incredible portfolios and showcase their work to anyone who's looking to collaborate with them, hire them, or simply learn from them. If you're used to our project builder, there are a few things that have changed. Number one, looking at the canvas, you'll start to see that there's a brand new layout for the project builder. We've tried to reorder things in a much more natural way, in a sense that things don't kind of get in your way as much. It's a lot easier, a lot smoother. Things are much more accessible on a project builder when you look at the canvas. The second thing, grids. Now, we've been looking at other ways that people can share their work using the project builder. A lot of the ways that people have been doing this so far have been very linear, happening in a vertical way, typically down with the different project blocks. And now with the introduction of grids, you can add new layouts to customize the elements that you have in your project builder. This is a great way if you want to show text by words or different types of images for comparison, or you want to build things in a more unique structure. The grids layout will help you do that. So test it out on the NewComma project builder as soon as you get a chance. If you're using this as a draft or a place to share it with clients or a closed group, you now have the ability to password protect your projects. It's a great way, as I said, to share these specific projects with specific groups of people. And once you're ready to share them with the world, you can remove those password restrictions and have everyone within the Comma community see and enjoy those projects that you've worked so hard to create. The next thing that is coming to the project builder tool is the ability to list your collaborators. Now, one of the things we realized was sometimes you're not the only one who's worked on the project. There are other people that you want to shout out. There are other people that you want to acknowledge that have played a role in creating the project that you're uploading to the platform and sharing with the community. You now have the ability to add collaborators onto your project, which is simply letting people know who else was involved in this project and was instrumental in bringing this to life. Once they see this list of collaborators, they can go then onto their profiles and explore their projects and profiles too. And still, there are more updates to the project builder. Now, this is probably more about viewing the project, enjoying the projects, and commenting on said projects. For a long time, you've only been able to add comments to projects if they were posted into the NewComma feed. And now we can have specific discussions within the project viewer, allowing you to comment on, what you think about the project, what inspires you about the project, what your feedback is for that specific, creator who's sharing their work. One more thing that we've added to the project builder is some tools that you might be more familiar with when it comes to adjusting corner radius, when it comes to adjusting the kind of fonts and the way they display within your projects. And the reason that we wanted to do this was we realized that there are some tools that we were currently missing that a lot of creators, especially on the design, illustration, typography side of things are more used to. We wanted to give them that flexibility when it came to adjusting the way their projects are laid out, the way some of the elements within their projects appear on the screen. Like I said, this is part of a series of major updates coming to NewComma, coming to you as creators all around the world. And yeah, we're super excited to see what you create, what you build, and the ways that this can help you in your journey as a creative. See you in the next video.